Hi folks, today I want to walk you through how to utilize Flipgrid to gather feedback from your students. First, you're going to open up Flipgrid and you're going to go up to Educator Login. From here, you'll be prompted to sign in with Google, and once you're signed in, then you'll be able to create your topic. Note that you have the ability to make different grids. Some people choose to make an entirely new grid per class, per section. That organization is really up to you. I prefer to create a grid for my courses. So for example, I have humanities courses and I have two different periods built into the same class. So here you can look at, I've got different topics, so different assignments, one for second period, one for fourth period. So once you create your grid, you'll be able to add a new topic. From here, you can select the new topic, add a title, select the recording time, and then add your prompt. This is all the information that you need to be able to allow students to post videos to respond to a question or an assignment. You have the option of adding even more detail, such as a video from YouTube and then having them respond to it here. You can add an image, a document, and anything that you think will be helpful in having your students respond to a prompt. Once you're done, you'll be able to select Create Prompt. There are even more specialized options that you can do, such as attaching a link, moderating who is seeing these videos, so you can turn off that ability for students to see the videos if you want. And then there's some fun features as well. So keep it simple. Oftentimes just posting a topic and then sharing that out with your students via this blue share button is really easy and a fast way to gather information from your students. If you'd like more information in depth on a walkthrough with Flipgrid, feel free to look back at the document and select the Flipgrid walkthrough, or look at the Flipgrid PD Google Slides that was created last year.